Hello children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Today we are going to play Qua-Qua Quiz. So are you ready children? Are you ready Monami? Yes. Okay, so let's start. This quiz is based on the previous lesson which we have already done in our alphabet series. First, let us understand the rules. With each question, you will get 4 options. How many options? 4. Yes. With each question, you will get 4 options and you need to pick up only one. You need to choose only one. Okay? And only one, that is the right answer. Okay? You need to pick up the right answer. And when you pick up the right answer, you will get 1 star. And you need to listen to the questions very carefully. Okay, Monami? Okay, miss. Okay, so let's start. Your questions will be based on this clip. So let's see the clip. And the ship starts its voyage from the dockyard. As it sails through the sea, the girls start singing. Waves going up and down and up and down. We can hear the whistling of the breeze. Sss, sss, sss. Okay, so let's start. Waves going up and down, we can hear the whistling of the breeze. Sss, sss, sss. Can you tell me, Monami, sss is the sound of which letter? Your options are C, K, S or X. Waves going up and down. Sounds like my grandmother's pressure cooker. Yes. Miss. Yes, are you ready? Yes. Yes. It is letter S. Yes, you are absolutely right. It is letter S. Good. So now let us go to the second question. Which animal's name begins with the letter S? Now your options are tiger, squirrel, lion, elephant. Once again, I will repeat it for you. Tiger, squirrel, lion or elephant. Your time starts now. It is squirrel. Yes, you're absolutely right. Good. Some interesting facts about squirrels. Do you know children, squirrels have 4 front teeth that never stop growing. They build nests called They. They can travel at a speed of up to 16 miles per hour and jump up to 20 feet in length. They can use their fluffy, bushy tails like parachutes in order to balance themselves during high leaps. Okay, now question number 3. Are you ready? Yes, miss. Okay. Which of these games begins with letter S? Which of these games begins with letter S? Your options are snakes and ladders, Ludo, chess or carom. Okay? I will repeat it once again. Which of these games begins with letter S? snakes and ladders, Ludo, chess or carom?
It is snakes and ladder. Snakes and ladder.
Yes, you're absolutely right. So, you got one more star, 3 stars, right? So, Monami, are you ready for question number 4?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so question number 4. Which flower's name begins with letter S? Which flower's name begins with letter S? So, your options are rose, lotus, marigold or sunflower. Let me repeat the options. Rose, lotus, marigold or sunflower.
Rose,
Lotus, marigold or sunflower.
Sunflower? Is it sunflower?
Yes, you're absolutely right. So one more star. Sunflower. Good. Okay. Do you know, children, sunflowers are known for being happy flowers. They are named for the way they turn their head from east to west to follow the sun. They have beautiful large heads with bright yellow petals. The dark center of a sunflower is actually made from thousands of tiny little flowers, so sunflower is not just a single flower. Sunflowers have many uses. The flowers can be used to make a yellow dye. Sunflower oil is used in cooking and in making soaps and paints. Their seeds are dried or roasted and eaten as snacks. So now time to see another clip. So we are going to see another clip and then I will ask you a few more questions.